Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create radial arrays without using any add-ons. First, create the object. Then, move it to the center of the array. Next, in Edit mode, select all vertices and move them away from the center of the array. Now, add an empty to the scene and move the empty to the center of the array. Now, add an array modifier to the object and select the option Object Offset with the empty object as the target. Then, rotate the empty object around the z-axis and increase the count on the array modifier to complete the radial array. As you add details, make sure the base point of the object remains at the center of the array, so it's necessary that translations, rotations, and scaling is done in Edit mode. Finally, you can always change the density of the array by changing the rotation of the empty and the array count. So that's it for this tutorial. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.